Right, we have ONMD here. We get a dip here at 102, 101, 102. We'll take it. Dang, that was a slow fail, but I think we can do it. Oh, 5 is my entry. Jeez, what a late entry. I pressed that thing at oh, ah. Alright, whatever. That was a great entry though. I pressed that thing at 04, it killed me 05. Alright. Anyway, we'll try it again. Maxwell also moving. What a good strength of the open here.
DUOG, SND, ONMD, CORD, CRCG.
So we can get a dip all the way up to under 1.
XWEL.
Maxwell, what's the volume? It's hanging in there.
RKLZ. RXT. SABR.
AOI.
GLB. FIGS. AAOI. XWEL.
3.
DUOG. CORD. SND.
Nice.
CRCG. SG.
This one here.
FIGS.
This one.
BATL.
67, 61.
RKLZ.
Keep this real tight. 98. It will be the stop.
SG. DUOL. DLLL. GLB. FLYW. DLLL. FIGS. FOXF. IND. CPNG. DUOG. RXT. SND. INDO. SG. AAOI. INOD.
A little weak there.
XWEL.
Let's move into this.
CWBS. BATL. RKLZ. CRW.
75.
CRWU. SG. OKLS. MRA.
This is holding.
DLLL. RNA. BATL.
Few things moving.
DUOG. DUOL. FOXF. SNOU. ONMD. DUOG. PFSA. PRA. AAOA. XWEL. PRA. XWEL. SG. RC. DLLL. DLLL. DELL. DELL. RKLS.
The target of $2 on this. Here we go.
FOXF. FIGS.
We can hold 75.
PRA. CORD. AAOI.
80. He's that low.
XWEL. AAOI.
Waiting patiently for a good setup.
PRA. ONMD. MRAL. DLLL. RNL. RKLX. SABR. APPX. XWEL. INOD. RCKT. EOSU. XWEL. AAOI. CORD. ONMD. OKLL. XYZ. SOUX. RKLX. CPNG. TSSF. SABR. ESNL. EOSU. EBS. XWEL. CWI may resume in less than a minute.
This is a target at $2. Quick target at $2, but I want to see this dip.
CRW. BTSX. CWBX. CPNG.
It's pushing it every 10 cents. Is pushing.
SWEL. SABR. BTSX. RCKT. INTT. XWEL. PAR. THY may resume in less than a minute. INC. PPC. CORD. RGTZ.
$2 there.
MP.
All right, here we go.
MPL.
You're gonna have to hold. Are you actually gonna hold 94?
RCKT. XYZ.
85. 85. 95, 94, 94, 93, nope. No, so that was kind of like a a gap that's not gonna fold. So very good move from 60 to $2. You might see a dip. ONMD still holding. Still holding very strong 103.
RCKT.
Could also be a dip on this at 93, 98, 97.
IONC. ARLO. XWB.
Wow, this one's still going here. So let's see if we can get a move here. $2. It needs to hold 2 for me.
TTEC.
Now we'll get in here for a push higher. Here we go, next candle.
RCKT.
Next candle, next candle, next candle.
FIG.
Next candle. Dip. Test. 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 It doesn't look like it's in the test. Yeah, 10. 10 was the spot.
DB. XWBL.
Okay. So I gotta be a little more aggressive then. It's really not gonna test. So I gotta take it at 10. 10 is the area. You know? 10 looked like it was gonna hold. I gotta act pretty quickly there.
DB.
Okay, dipping down here.
RXT.
Hold here, 7.
MRNL. LRNR.
Dip down, dip down.
RCKT.
Showing some weakness here, but showing some weakness a little bit.
RXT.
Maybe you can pick it up under
XNU.
a little closer to 2. 2. I want to see how well 2 is gonna fold. But 10's holding so strong here.
TSSI.
9.
AOI.
I take it here. No, I don't have a setup. No, let me not do it. I want it a little closer to 2 for a gap and go.
ST.
7. See how old you're gonna hold. Ooh, no, don't hold well. $2. Okay, never mind.
AOI. SMR.
Get back over 2. If it gets back over 2, it could be really strong. Gap reclaim. So now that's it. Now that's my setup. Gap reclaim. Gap reclaim over $2.
RXT.
Gap reclaim over 2. Gap reclaim over 2. 89's holding well. Gap reclaim over 2. Yeah.
SMR. RDW.
Okay, gap reclaim over 2. You still got some 5 seconds here. Yep, over 2.
RXT. FIGS. ESK1.
ONMD here.
TSSI.
104.
RC. LBGJ resin 10 seconds. RST.
104, 107, 106. Seven, 6, 104. Let's see, a little high here, 106, 107. Let us see that 108. I'm gonna have to get out flat here. Don't like this. Don't like that 106. I wish I got 105. Don't like that. Closer to the gap. Would have been nice. BATL. Not bad. I think what we have more volume here on these two. Nice, BATL's doing well. We'll see how well XWell is going to hold. Dip again into this gap. 101. I mean, it looks interesting. Been able to get a good squeeze on it. It's BATL. You could get a dip on this at 80 to 75. What's the fall down? 60. Yeah. ONMD looks like volume died out. BATL. BATL. Quick dip. It'll be a pretty aggressive dip. 67 to 70, 67 to 47. Could happen. Pre-market high 613. 67.47, hold down is 5. Yeah, we can get a dip here in the 50s. I would like to see a dip in the 50s. In the 50s, under 67. It could be a great dip. Under 67, the stop is 47. Dip one more time at this next candle. You could dip one more time. Come on, I want it. There it is, 62. I'm in at 64. Into this gap. Might get it one more time if it wants to go to 50, but hopefully it holds this here. Green, 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 green. Might get out flat here if it doesn't want to go yet. Nice. Nice. Come on, come on. 63, 10 cents here for working with 400 shares here now. Come on, there it is. I wanted a bigger bounce. It doesn't look like it's going to give me a bigger bounce. Might get it lower. Also, the green volume is low. This candle's going to close. I'm going to have to take it out here. So taking it out here. Top of the gap, it gave a little bounce, slower, low volume, so I'm thinking it's going to come a little lower. There it is. 58, 57, 57, a little lower, 56. Ooh, 57 was good. I was thinking a little lower, but that was great. Dang it, that was good. Okay, one more time. Hopefully you don't flush, BATL. Don't flush. Don't flush. Nice. Okay, that was the dip here, I think. Okay. Over 76. Now. Coming down. Okay. Staying patient. ENSC. ENSC is going. Lower volume. Dip a little lower, man. That would be sweet. Maybe it does want to dip a little lower below 57. What was this low? 57, yeah. 47 would be that stop, but maybe it's good, maybe it's not. Waiting for that. Waiting for that move on the gap. This was a great dip right there, 60s, out 80s. That would have been great, but let's see. Let's see if I can get another one here. Still folding pretty nicely. SMC 47, as long as it holds 47, well, as long as it holds 50, that could be good. We don't flush through 50. Otherwise, we're gonna have to take a break out through $6 on a gap and go, possibly. 5-minute looks all right. Daily looks good. Daily, there could be a target at 689. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 61. Do we like it? 61. 62. You get a little flush.
ERA. ENA.
Let's see here.
LASR. APPX.
So it's been bouncing well over 60.
LPGJ
So maybe 60 could be a spot.
ANPNA resin 10 seconds. CRCD.
Depends how it holds here. 60.
DUOG. DUOL. BNAO.
Kind of want to get in here because 60 is in my gap, and it's been holding pretty well.
LASR.
But right there, let's see how well you hold. Down 47. I want to take a dip. Oh yeah, it's that one right there. You see? Oh, down again.
FIGG.
Down again. Wow, volatility there.
LPGJ resin 10 seconds.
CD. Maybe this is a little pushing it too much here. Yep, I might be pushing it there. A little lower. 50. How will you hold 50? 8. 8. Dip. What was my entry? 56. Not bad, but maybe a little lower.
FIGG.
I think I just have to hold it. Let's see. Dip one more time. Try it. Dip one more time. Try it. Test it. Buyers are there. Buyers are here. Buyers are here. Buyers are here. I'll take it. 53. Hold 50. Nice.
TTEC.
I wouldn't want to break 50
FIGG.
here because that would be pretty bad. Looks like we may break 50. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. I'm in at 53. Not the worst. Nice, 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 nice. 55. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
ESTG.
Come on. Nice. 55. Green, 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 green. We get a nice move here to 60.
TTEC.
I know buyers were sitting there at 50.
TPC.
57, 58. Let's do it. Alright, we're chilling here. Let's see if we can get it. I might reduce some risk here because we don't seem to get that move we want to see. Reducing risk. It's holding though. Nice. Okay, good, good. Okay, nice. Oh, back down again. Okay, so there's sellers here, so reducing more risk here. It went right at 60 and it got stuffed pretty quickly, so we'll see. Try it one more time. There you go, 60. Push, 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 push. It's important that you want to hold above 60 because 60 was holding well a few minutes ago. Lower volume, reducing risk. 200 shares, working with 200. We'll see. Working with 200, gonna get off flat on that. Oh, nice. 64. Wow, incredible. Finally.
Arcano Net. EWIM. XREY. RGTZ. Arcano V.
You need to hold 60. For me, you need to hold 60.
IREZ.
ONMD. Okay, you don't hold 60. Back over 60. Good.
RGTV.
No, you don't hold 60. This might be, yeah, I might get out flat here.
Arcano B.
That's all right. Gave back what I made. That's okay. Yeah, it's coming down. You see? Okay, so here's 103.
GTZ.
Good read on my end. That's good. This could be nice. Red to green. Good here.
GTZ.
This is responding very well. 111 is the under 10, 8. I'll take 8. Back over 10, back over 10, back over 10. 11, 12, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Reducing risk. Nice, 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 nice. Go, 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 go. 13. Nice. Just 1,000 there. Holding. Doesn't want to go yet. Nice, 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 nice. Bam, 15. We're gonna get the last out. Oh man, it's pushing, it's pushing. There you go, 16. Man, I wish I was holding a whole my 3,000 shares, but I think it was pretty some volatility there with 3K size. I'm increasing size. And I'm making sure, I'm able to stay calm. I realize that staying calm, it allows me to stay calm to get some out, to get some shares out. So, all right, here we go. So now we have this at 565. Good volume there. Needs to hold 565 here. This could be a little loss, maybe, but needs to hold 65, 67. Next candle. Let's see it, let's see it. Yeah, let's do it. Needs to go now, needs to go now, needs to go now, needs to go now. No. Needed to go now. We can try one more time. 65 needs to full 65. Full 65. Yeah, let's do it. One last time. Go, 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 go. I'm in at 69. Not really liking this. No. All right. Losing some there. Okay, fine. It is holding though. Ah. Maybe I'm rushing it. Yeah, I rushed that. I rushed that trade. I'm looking for it to go right away. Man, it did hold 65, so maybe I was rushing that trade. So it reaches this red gap and it comes down. Okay, fine. I will wait for the next opportunity here. So it's
SNC.
pushing with less volume. That means sellers are willing to short this thing. They're waiting for price to go up to short it. This closes above 80. There might be a trade here. Nice. Nice. Let's break 6 here. I'm gonna give this a little more room here. Dip, 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 dip. There it is. For me, it needs to full 80. This has to full 80. We're chilling here. We're a bit chilling. We got a great entry. Hopefully this goes through 6. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to get out pretty flat here. So we're chilling. We got a good entry. We want to see this through. You want to see buyers hold. Buyers hold it. Buyers hold it. What the heck, man? Ah. All right. Well, nothing you can do about that. Such a great entry to 84, hovering around 90, and then immediately comes down. So, knowing this volatility, we can get a dip in the 50s. All right. Are we going to get this push? 16. We have momentum today. So, 16 needs to fold for me. This could go here. Yeah, let's do it. Now. Dang it, bro. We're losing today. Ah, giving back some profits. Didn't work. Is it gonna go now? So bought that thing at basically 20, out 18. Small loss there, not bad. But giving back some profits. It's important that when I get my trades, I gotta sell it because I got this really nice trade, right? And I'm selling 11. I should probably be selling 14, 15. So, you know, I gotta get the nerves out. Get the nerves out. Dang, nice. So
ONMD. SNXX.
dang, rejection there. Alright, so we'll be patient. We'll be waiting for our next trade. Giving back a little bit too much profit here. Shaking the nerves out. Taking 3K size on this.
FIGS. QBTZ. LITS.
BATL is just kind of weird here. Manipulated. People are saying it's manipulated. It's the way it moves. There was no reason for this flush, honestly. But we did get that flush anyway. It's up here with some volume.
BTSG vaulted.
I will stay patient. Back into this gap, 57 to 47. I will take a dip here. Could be a solid dip, 57 to 47. Will be a 10 cent loss, about a 10 cent loss, 800 shares, about 80 bucks. No, not the worst thing. I think we could do it. $57 to $47, we could do it.
LITS.
56.
SNXX. ARX.
There are buyers here. So some buyers running through 59, 58.
WDC.
There we go. Maybe a little lower.
SMCX. LITX. CCCC. ADSA. SNXX.
Nice. That was good, I guess.
WDC.
Back to 50, 63.
SMCX.
Still thinking to go a little lower. Okay, we got some good volume here. Off this low 22 there. Let's try it one more time. Ideally, it'll hold 22 here. We'll give it a try. Gap and go. Why not? Interesting. Nice. Nice. Dip. See how well this dip is going to hold. How well this dip is going to hold. Well, this dip is going to hold 27, 22 is that low, 25. Try 25 one more time, 27. 25, 25, 25, 25 again. Yeah, 25. Let's do it. Hold 25, pretty flat here. Nice. So we gotta hold. We gotta hold this for at least 5 cents on this 230. Or we're gonna take it flat here if it doesn't go. Hold 25, hold 25.
ABR.
Oh my gosh. Basically get out flat on that. So this is on the gap, 24, 23. Fine, I'll take it 24. This is right on the gap, which I like. So let's see. Let's see. We're gonna push this through. Stop is gonna be 22 on this. This is right on the gap, which is good. Come on, come on. Where the buyers at? Where the buyers at? 24.90. I mean at 25 basically. This needs to go here. Ideally, would go here. Nice, 27. I want to hold this. I want to hold this. I know I can hold. Come on. Doesn't take away the fact that I want to see faster resolution. Not feeling that. Not feeling that yet. Just yet. Oh, yeah. Not feeling it. We'll see. 22. 20. Yep. So my intuition is correct when it's coming down. We'll see what it wants to do. So far, unable to get what I wanted. And BATL, look at this. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. One more time. Looks like we got a dip here at 20. Back to 27. 28. It looks okay. I'm not sure if it's worth it. I mean, it looks okay. Green volume slowing down.
SK1. RPG dollars in less than a minute.
So this needs to hold 27 for me.
GTZ.
This needs to hold 27 for me. Not gonna hold. I'm not gonna push it there. It looks pretty heavy. Pretty heavy up here. Alright, be patient. Okay, if this thing is gonna go, man, it is going to go. And I want to be part of it here. 28, 27. Dip, 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 27, 26, 26, 26. I wanted it a little lower, but that's okay. We're gonna have to be patient here. Dang it. 27 was the spot. Let's see. Dip. Could still dip one more time. There is my trade at 27. There goes my trade. Oh, dang it, man. Always too late to jump in. Let's look for a next trade here. So if it's going to hold 30 and go to 40, 50, let's see it. It's not over yet. Short-term trouble here, needs to hold 30.
BATL made less than 10 seconds.
Minute 33. I'm in pretty high. I'm in pretty high. Don't like it. Alright, fine. Oh my goodness. Did I press this? I did press it. Oh man, it filled me so late. Don't like that. Okay, what the heck? That was so late fill. Ugh. Okay. So 30 was the bottom of that gap. Don't really like that it was just slow to fill. 3,000 shares only. That's crazy. So we're going to have to see here. Yeah, we don't have a trade. Our trade was right here, 27. Risking, yeah, that was good. Risking 2 cents. What was this high? 25, yeah. Risking 2 cents. Good. Good, good, good. See if we can replicate it here. 37. One more little squeeze here. Nope. There's a dip here. 27 by 25, which might be a little too risky. Anyway, I need to figure out what I need to do, man. I'm missing too many trades. I'm one green, now going to red. When I'm sizing up, I get a little nervous. I don't get in where I need to get in, so I'm gotta get the nerves out. So these past 3 days has been sizing up and getting the nerves out. And I know I can capitalize on these moves. I just gotta get the nerves out and commit to my trading. Commit to my skills. I know I can do it. I'm red only 50 bucks. But things can change pretty quickly. So we'll be patient. We can't be rushing trades. Okay. So this is a good opportunity here over 35. It could give the squeeze to 50 that we're looking for into hold up 49. This could be really sweet. So let's see. So we'll take it. No gap. No, it didn't form any gap, but 35 could be a still spot. Let's do it. 36, 37, 35. Don't break 35. Don't break 35. Trying 35 one more time. Buyers at 35, step in. Yeah, it's gonna break 35. Ah, dang it. Oh my gosh, I'm down 100 bucks right now. Which is not the worst thing for taking 3K size. So here I was waiting for that. The quality was not the best. I got in a little too high, 37. So lost 2 cents there. All right, we'll be patient here. I know there's a squeeze coming, and we'll see. So this dropped right here to 26.27. There's a gap reclaim here at 25 to 27. Yeah, 25 to 27. So we'll see what this next candle is going to do. Also pretty extended, but I think it could work.
ENSC1. Emoji. ABR.
So we have a penny stock here. 63 could be our stop here. 63. What is it? 63.
ENSC1.
We'll take it here. Pretty tight stop. We're looking for a push. We're looking for this 1 minute fair value gap to hold.
ABR.
It could be one little trade here. Keeping it pretty tight if it doesn't work. But it's been holding 64.8. Nice. Come on. Push, 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 push. Needs to push now. Needs to push now. Nice. Push now. Nice. Nice. 65. What's this high? 67. I would love to see 67 on this. 66.2. Taking some out here. You let me get some out. Nice. Got 2 out right there. Very nice. Working with 3K here.
GTZ.
I'll take it off here.
ENC.
Okay.
ENSC1.
Nice. Got 1 cent on this. Ah, good. So confidence there, 5K size on a penny stock. So taking that profit. I gotta get the nerves out, shake the nerves out, pushing big size. Now that I do that, I'm looking to now hold, right? This one I would normally hold, keep like 3K holding. If I get out flat, probably would have gotten out flat right there. But I just needed to get the reps out. Reps out, more reps with big size. That's the goal of today. So not so much about profit, I guess. I would love to have some profit but mostly just get the reps out. So 33 is that. Can I get a nice dip towards 33 here? It's looking pretty juicy for a breakout. Hopefully it holds 37. I don't know if 37 is going to be the spot, but it looks like there's tons of buyers. 35, 36. Fine, I'll get in 35 here. Pretty tight stop. Come on, yes, nice,
GTZ.
nice. I'm in at 36, dude. That's crazy to me. That's crazy to me. 36. Don't like this 36 spot. Like in at 36. Let's see this next candle here. It needs to hold, needs to hold, needs to hold. Needs to hold this gap. Now push. 36 by 37. No chance, huh? Yeah, no chance. Okay, I'm getting out here. I think I lost $10 on that. Worth the shot. Might do it one more time, so I have to be ready for it. I'll stay ready. Lost about 1 cent overall on my 3K size. So it wants to hold 33. There could be a dip at 30. Right, that's 31. Okay. It held this area nicely here. Once, twice. Gap reclaim. I mean, if it holds 33, if it holds 33, it's going to be pretty nice.
That's not him.
33's been holding very strong.
Maybe genius.
33 again. Next candle. No, 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 it's not about 32. 33 again. 32. So that gap and the algo seem to be right above 30. I wonder how 30 is going to test if it wants to go there. I mean, as you can see, like I've just been taking gap and goes, and my setup realistically, there hasn't been a good solid 1 minute fair value gap that where it dips. Maybe right here, like here, maybe, but maybe here, then that's kind of it, you know. Nothing solid, form one solid one, dip into it, and then a nice move out of the gap. So it's been volatile, but it's been grindy. Up 3 cents, down 2 cents, kind of price action. But when it took off pretty nicely throughout this area. Now, this might be the double top. I don't think so. I think there's going to be another one. Look, 33 now. 33 was the spot. So I don't have a gap. I'm kind of just going based on my intuition that 33 was holding very strong. And now that it bounced off 32, it's kind of going to be the breakout now because it retested lower 30. Yep, you see, it retested under 33. Look, it had confidence that it wasn't going to break. So now that area 33 is going to be very strong. So now let's see, 34. If my intuition is correct, that's what it's going to do. 33 one more time. Nope. 32. Nope, it's not ready yet. Okay, 33, 32, 33, 32, 30, 29, 25 again. That would be a third time into this area. Hmm. 30. ENSC. ENSC here. So 64 is the low of that gap. It's looking pretty nice for a breakout now, setting itself up. It tried 2 times, it's going for a third time. So maybe we get a nice little dip under 65 with a tight stop. Tight stop. Fine, I'll take 65 here. Ooh, oh. Okay, get out. So maybe a little too quickly. Gotta shake the nerves out. But that was not bad. That was not bad, actually. My entry that I had, 65.01.
GTZ.
Okay, nice move here. So good spot, but let's see if this thing can hold. 66 is that low. 67.9, 67. If buyers are going to step in here, 67.
EDMD.
Hopefully you don't reject all the way through.
UVTZ.
Don't reject all the way through, man. Let's get in here. Nice. Good, good. Excellent fill. Beautiful fill. Let's get another push here. That would be very sweet if we get a nice push to 69 one more time. Come on, 69. What was this high? 70. Come on, get this push through. Push through. Push through 69. Take 2K out here. Nice. Another 2K out right at 69. Nice. Chilling with 1K here. Yeah, nice.
GTZ. ONMD.
Come on. I'll take it out, 69. Oh, 67, 70 actually. Okay. All right, good trade there on the gap and go. Much nicer move. I wish, gotta keep holding the 5K. You know, I got out 68, 69, and 69, 68, 69, and 69. Yeah. This could have been out right there, 70, but that's all right. Pushing some big size, getting the nerves out. Looking pretty good. Got the trade that I was looking for. Nice. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, for green 30 bucks. We tried some other stocks, but went from green to red, now back to green. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. You know, makes you think if you can hold, if I can hold that, what a beautiful trade, man. That's crazy. That was picture perfect, man. What's the plan here? 70 is this low. Mm. 72 by 70 is that gap. This has responded much better to the gaps. 3 million, 3.5 million float. Let's see how well you're going to respond to this gap here. 72.50 to 70. I would love to see a dip, man. Right there at the top of the gap. Patiently waiting. I think it could go into this gap and give a nice move. A nice little bounce. Come on. It's holding strong here. I don't want it to flush down if it doesn't hold. So let's see. 72. Down. Buyers? No. Sell off? I'll take it 70. Nice.
ENSC.
Hold 70. Ooh. Ah. Oh, I got out. Okay. Whew. Just a little nervous there. Since it could possibly break 70. So let's see if it breaks 70, we get a nice reclaim here.
CWH.
No. 70 again. Hmm. Hmm.
FNGU. SHN1.
Maybe one move kind of stock.
ENSC.
I didn't hold to my stop. Taking bigger size, I didn't actually hold to my stop. Okay.
ENSC.
Dang it.
ONMD. IRNC. ENSC.
Holding here with lower volume, but it's holding. Okay, here we go. If you hold 70,
ONMD.
yes, more volume here.
IRNC.
So it might break 70 this time, it seems like. So I'm prepared to get it at 66. Quite possibly 70 here. 69. Oh no, actually 69. Dang, 70 is gonna hold.
IONC. ENNC.
Yeah. 66. I'm prepared to grab it at 66. Okay, cool. So all right. Looks like we got a nice dip into this gap. Very nice. Now we're going through a breakout. I didn't think it would hold, but I guess we're going to see this go through. All right, gotta prepare the next trade here. 70. Nice gap form. Dip into it. Nice. Dip into it again. Coming up here, forming a little gap. It's gonna form another gap here, right over the red one. Okay, red one it's taken out. So here we need a dip to 71. If you can get a dip to 71, what sort of dip we're gonna get here? Are we looking for this to push through, or are we looking this to dip into a gap one more time? It's been respecting the gaps very well, so I'm happy to see that. I'm actually excited to see that. So it looks like we're going to form a gap here at 72, 70 to 70, 72 to 70, another gap. So let's see, what do you want to do here? Dip, dip, one more time. Under 72, looking for that dip under 72. Grant us that dip. Grant me a dip.
ESK1.
That would be lovely. Stair stepping. Oh, that would be absolutely picture perfect. Picture perfect dip. $72 gonna hold. Oh, dude, there's 79. Yeah, I pressed it there. What did I get? 17. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Wish it was closer to 71. It's closer to 72. That's okay. Not the worst. Looking for this to play out. Good. We need to see this push here. Love to see this push through. Ooh, nope. Out. Ooh. 68. That's another gap right there. 69. 69, 68. I wanted it 68. Ooh, 69. Oh no, 68 would have been too much. Not bad. Let's see. 69 is going to hold. All right, we're betting that 63, 69.3 is going to hold. Very nice. Hold, hold, hold. This other gap down here. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my lord. Ah, what a loss. That was a flush. That was a crazy flush. Out 69. I got blazed. Down 131. No. Ah, we were trading that so well. I tried this gap and immediately got a flush. Jeez, that sucks. That sucks. That really sucks. But it's part of the game, I guess. Dang it. That sucks. All right. Anyway, we're flat on it, but we're down 130 on the day. Right on everything. Okay, here, 124 could be a good dip here. Increase in volume. We got a little red gap here. Not looking too great right on this red gap. Sadly, man. Gave back everything I made on it. So one last trade probably here needs to work for me to be good. I want to approach max loss 25 here. 24 or just 25 is going to be fine. What's this? 26. Nice, nice little jump there to 28, 29. Hmm. Back to 26. $25 again. $25 again. Nice. So 25 one more time. 25, 24. I'll take 24. Tight stop. Man, it takes a long time to get filled 3K size on this. Tight stop, 24. 24 doesn't hold. I'm out. 24 and a half. No, it's a pretty good fill. Fair. I'll take it. Fair. I don't want to see a flush, so market makers make this happen. Nice. Let's hold it. Let's see this. No volume right here trying to break down. So if it's not going to go down, it might go up. So tight stop. Tight stop. Let's see it. Green. I like that spike of green volume there. We need to see a reaction when we see that. Oh, not back to 24. Not back to 24. Okay, back to 25. Good. 26, 27. Nice. Ah, not back to 24. Don't want to see 23. I might, I will have to get out if I see 23. Looks like we might see 23. Yeah, out. Not messing with this. Ah, down 175. All right. That was the spot, you see? Now it's back down to 22. All right. We're going to have to stick around, see what we find. This could be a good spot here for a good bounce. We'll see how this develops. 17, maybe 17 could be good. Giving it a try on a Friday. It's noon. Maybe we get one more move. Ah, 18 was not bad. 18 was great. 18 is also VWAP. Shoot. All right, looks like that was great. Maybe one more time. One more time into this gap. It's kind of like a two gaps sandwich here. So sandwich gap. Gap sandwich. Or VWAP gap sandwich. So gap right here, VWAP, and another gap. So 18 held. It's a little slow, but that's okay. I think we can see a nice move once volume picks up. Maybe there's a dip. Maybe that would be it. We'll see. We'll stay patient. Volume is still pretty light. Red volume is still much bigger. Okay, good. So my intuition was correct. 18 was a good spot. Now we got a dip here that we could potentially take. 21, closer to 21. Break gap and go. I wonder if it's going to be good here. Could be too early. Might give another move. Another dip. Stair stepping up. And then it might go after that. We'll see.
IV organs.
Or this could be a dip here right away. 221. See how well this dip is going to hold.
IV organs. ENSC. ENSC.
Oh my gosh. Okay, good. Please bounce from 20. I bought that right as it was coming down to 20. This might be my last trade. It's a little risky trade, but I'm hoping 20 is going to bounce here. 22, okay, good. That's a fair fail, to be honest, because I pressed it at 22, 23, and right as soon as it dropped to 20, 21, so I got a pretty decent fill here. Hopefully we get a nice pop. Nice pop here. Would like to see this pretty soon here. Let's get some nice green volume. Get some nice green volume here. So now this likely be my last trade. If I get off flat, I might have another opportunity, but I want to give this a give this some time. Don't know, to be honest. Here we go, next candle. I need to see some volume. Green. Green. I wouldn't want to see a flush. That would really suck. But the 5 minute could get a nice move. Yes, nice spike. Nice spike on the 5. Bottoming wick on the 5. That's good. 22 by 23. Now we feel a little better. See if we can get at least. So my risk there was like 2 cents to 19. So if I have 2 cent risk, I'm looking for at least 6 cents on this. So 27. Back to 21. Not good. Back to 21. Two. Back to 21. He's getting stuffed at 21. Don't like to see that. If I see 20, I might get it out. I learned from yesterday, can't be holding too long on these things. If I see 20, I might need to step out the way. To step out of the way. That might be the end of the day. So please don't finish my day here. You gotta see some volume coming through. New 5 minute. New 5 minute here. 21. My break. Oh, it's approaching it. Like if it doesn't break, we might see a nice move. That's the thing. If it doesn't break, we might see a really nice move, but buyers' bids are getting smaller. Oh, come on, man. If I see 20, I might need to get out. Come on, give a nice move. Yeah, out 20. Okay. Shoot. Down 200 bucks, max loss. Max loss. Okay. Didn't want to do it. The real trade was here at 18. This could be good right here, 18. Double bottom of VWAP. I mean, we've seen that quite a lot. Good volume there. Back to my entry 21. So gap reclaim at 21. So a lot of buying here. Let's do it. 21 and a half. Pushing it a little beyond max loss, but I think this could be a nice gap reclaim. If not, then that might be the day. I keep saying that, but it has to be the day now. I would like to see green here. I don't want to see it break 20. Good gap reclaim would be beautiful here. The low of this is, oops, 21. Don't want to see it break 21. Trying to keep the losses pretty tight, which I am. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 20, 20, 20 by 21. 20.
ESK1.
Don't really like it. Don't really like this area. Don't really want it at 20, but 20 could be a good hold. Could be losing 2 cents here. More than 2 cents, like 3 cents. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. All right, whatever. Lost 1 cent there. So, okay. So give it more tries, 2 more trades. All right, we're gonna have to call it here. Oh, look at this pop now. Nice. So I'm still looking for a nice move here. This is the move I wanted to see, but it didn't happen until we hit 18. So now let's see if we can hold this pullback at 23 by 20. Maybe we get 23 by 24, or maybe we could get it 22 by 23. We hit this red gap one more time. That's the move. This is the move I wanted to see, but it happened at 18. 23 by 24. Our gap is going to be 20, which I think is a good area. If it holds 20, 21, we'll see. It's a good reclaim here. I'm taking it here, 23 by 24. I think it's going to hold 23. For a nice bounce, top of the gap setup. I think it's going to be one of those times where it's not going to go into the gap. It's just going to bounce right off here. So I don't think it'll go into 22. So we're seeing a nice amount of green here. Come on, buyers, step in. Nice, 25. Let's look for that attempt at the highs again, which is going to be 29. Five-minute is going to close in a few seconds, and I guess in a minute, about a minute. Have to hold this. I have to hold this. I think it looks great. I can hold this 30 seconds. I'm looking for this next candle to go 24 by 25. Green though. And when it came down to 24, but I saw green, so green sprinting. I like it to do something here. So we'll wait for this next candle. Otherwise, we may not get it. Okay, here we go. So I would like to see volume here. I would like to see volume on that bounce. Top of the gap. Didn't go into the gap. Am I going to the gap? I don't think so. I think this is good enough. 5 minute looks good. $26. Yep, nice. $27, nice. Can we get a nice squeeze here?
ENSC. Input value. A1.
I like the green that I'm seeing. That's good. I want to take 1,000 here. Come on. No, it's not working. So bigger red volume there. It's not going to be it yet. Okay, down 165. We cut down this loss a little bit, but still, you know, not exactly what we wanted to see. 23, dip at 22, 21. This gap is a little lower. And it hasn't been responding well to gaps, you know. Hasn't been responding well to gaps. Like going into a gap. ENSC did respond well to a gap. And I took a trade. Then they got caught in a flush. I think this flush. So now we're down 165. We may call it here. It's moving too slow. We wanted to see that volume go through here, 26, 27, 28, 29, and kind of keep building that momentum higher. But no, it seems to be weak. Well, 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 look at this. Look at this. Can we hold 30? Can we hold 30 here? All right, buying it. Needs to hold 30. Basically in at 32. Tight stop. Super tight stop, but I think it could work right here. Boom, boom, boom. I need to see this quicker. I need to see this. I would like to see this at 33 again. There you go, green. Push it, bro. Push it, push it, push it. No, it doesn't look like it. It's kind of giving the look. But at the same time, oh, 32 by 33. Okay, that's good. It's better. All right, not yet. Not yet for me. Back to 31, back to 30. Yep. So, dump. All right, whatever. Dump, dump, dump. So, to 30. Yeah, this is closed. All right. All right, here we go. So we're gonna finish the month up 1,300. Disappointing end of the month, but there's a silver lining to this that I've sized up. I've used bigger size the past few days. So today, let's see. Our biggest winners. We're capping our winners, man. We're not letting them run. And our losers, this one is okay because it was a flush. It was unexpected. But for the most part, they've been pretty tight. The only problem is we're capping our winners. We're 100% capping these winners and not letting them run. Especially on ENSC, the one that I gave the best move, and we're also hesitating on some trades that we should probably take that we normally take if we were taking 1,000 shares, and we're not taking them. We're not taking them with the 3K size that I want to take. Anyway, let's take a look at this. Today, this is a really great trade right here. Taking it off 2 cents, about 1.5 cents. 1 cent. Oh yeah, 64, almost 65. Yeah, 1 cent. A little bit over 1 cent. The next one is going to be a nice dip here, getting out flat, but that was a great entry for the huge move through this area. Fine, I didn't get it, so I get in one more time. So this is what I'm talking about. Like, I wouldn't be afraid, I wouldn't be nervous here, but since I'm taking 5K, I'm a little nervous. Now, here we go. So we get a nice trade here in at 67, really the bottom of that candle. Perfect entry. And then we get out 68, 69, and 69. We have to hold. Look at this push all the way to 77. So we have to hold at least to 70. This is what I'm saying. We're capping our winners. We could probably hold this all the way through. You know, let that be, say I get out 73 or 74. That's like a 6 cent, 7 cent winner with 5K size. You know, it's like 300 bucks. Very nice. Anyway, so moving on, we took another dip here, keeping it tight. Took a dip here right on this gap, keeping it tight. Very good. And sadly, we got caught right here. I thought we would bounce off this gap, which we tested one time. And then out of nowhere, we broke 69 so quickly, and I just had to bail out. So bailed out right there, lost 132. So my biggest winner 100. Yes, what I'm saying, right? My biggest loser 132, but this could be like 3 times what it's supposed to be, you know, and then just taking this loss would be like, okay, fine, cutting my day in half. So capping my winners. BATL, I had a good run on this. Good winner off the gap, nice. Keeping it tight. I wanted to see the bounce right away. Nice, good. Keeping it tight. I didn't see the bounce that I wanted to see right away. I think I took this out pretty quickly. Yeah, I took this out pretty quickly because I wasn't seeing what I wanted to see off the gap. And, you know, at least do this like above, you know, at least do this like, do these 3 candles like right above here, right above the gap, you know, then I'll be more willing to hold and like not, you know, scale out like this. Anyway, then I took this straight here, a gap and go, keeping it tight, no losing right there, keeping it tight. Another one here, gave it two attempts. No. Oh, this was such a beautiful trade for a break of 6. We have a gap and go right there. I'm in towards the low of the gap, and I'm thinking I'm chilling. The prices are around 90, above 90. I'm chilling. I'm looking good, and then out of nowhere, bang, flush, out 75. Didn't like to see that, and I just, yeah, that's it. They turned the red from turned the stock from green to red, being up 80 to being down 45, 47, and I just stopped trading it because it just failed for the rest of the day. ONMD, the main stock of today, and sadly, few winners, a few losers, mostly losers, huh? So let's see. All right, let's just do all of them. At the beginning, looking for a what am I looking for here? Oh, I pressed this. Yeah, I pressed this at 103, 102 inside the gap, and I got filled so high. So I bailed out on that. Gap and go here. Bailed out. Here we go. Yeah, flat. Nice dip here. And this is the one I need to hold. I'm in there at 109, 108, 109. I gotta hold. I simply have to hold 3K sides. If I was taking 1K, I would definitely be holding this all the way up to 17. But 3K, I'm a little nervous. Anyway, I'm shaking those nerves out today, this week, the past 3 days. I've been shaking the nerves out as I'm sizing up. So here we are taking that trade, scaling, 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 scaling. 85 bucks. Okay, fair enough. Going for this gap and go, losing, going for a gap and go, losing, and that one more time, and then I just scaled out right there. Flat, basically. So that trade was around 10.15. Yep. Oh, it actually was a flat trade. Okay. Small winner. So going for a gap and go, failed, gap and go, failed, two losses right there, another gap and go, failed. So I'm looking for that extension through this level, even though it's like kind of high, right? It's kind of extended too. And I'm looking for another push, another squeeze. It's been pretty hot. It's been a pretty hot stock. You know, we've seen these. I think yesterday we seen the one that kept going, even though it was extended, it just kept pushing higher, keep squeezing shorts. But this time no, I got stuffed. Anyway, there was a gap right here which I didn't trust. Could have been good. Now here comes a few losses here, which were kind of frustrating. Though I don't take this trade at 18, which looked very good. Don't take it. I was very close to doing so. Hesitated on that. Took this trade right here on this gap, waiting for that move. No, out, loss. Moving on. Went all the way. I know it's actually this trade here at 18, not this one. This trade here at 18. So after this, I'm thinking, okay, whatever. The stock might be done for the rest of the day. So there was a trade here at 18, and I don't take it. Hesitated. I gotta take it. Beautiful setup. Gap right here. Gap right here. VWAP right there. Sandwich between the gaps. Take it at 18. Push out on this area. Hesitated on that. Anyway, didn't hesitate on this dip right here at 21. And what did I do to this? What is this? 12? Did I add? What did I do here? Oh no, I think yeah. So out right here, out kind of flat, nothing, looking for this gap, looking for price action to get out of this gap, doesn't do it, out. Gap reclaim in one more time. I'm thinking, okay, we got some liquidity here. We're gonna push back into the gap and then make this move, make the move higher. Nope, doesn't work. Out for 1 cent loss. These are all pretty tight losses, you know. It's all pretty tight losses. They're just big because I'm taking big size. So if it's 2 cents, it's gonna be like 60 bucks. Anyway, so we missed this trade at 18 one more time, bounced at 18 at VWAP. What was this? A gap? Yeah, top of the gap setup, right? There's a gap right here. So taking it at the top of the gap, out right there, looking for that move. back to the high, this relative high right here, 29, and possibly continuation higher, but doesn't work. We don't get it. So out right there, half, and then the rest right here. These two candles. Anyway, goes into this gap. I go out for lunch. Nothing happened. No, I'm not watching it. One more trade here for the breakout. I see this thing pretty high up here. I'm thinking, okay, are we going to squeeze this time? Is it a squeeze o'clock? It's like 1 p.m. in right here, and yeah, get out pretty much for a little, basically flat, little tiny winner. It needed to go for me at this level, this price range. Has to go quickly. And that's kind of been confusing to me sometimes. Sometimes it's good to hold this, sometimes it's not. This was one of the times where it wasn't good. Some other times it's good to hold, like here, or like maybe here. Gap is like this at 16. What, no, this high, yeah, 16. So in some areas it's good to hold until the break of the gap. In some areas not. Is that what I'm trying to say? So the gap here it's at 30. So it's already kind of later in the day, and the best move already happened. I'm looking for just kind of an attempt at the highs at high of day, but it doesn't happen. Anyway, so I think that was the last trade of the day. Yep, that's it. So good to see that. Okay, cool. This was the best trade right there. Let's see. Come over to Mr. Profit too. You get to see your trades displayed out like this very nicely. So this was the best trade. Not that one. No, this one, yeah. Okay, cool. So this was my best trade later in the day. Was the best trade overall? Honestly, yeah, the best trade of the whole day. No, this was a good trade too. Here, so top of the gap right here, 23 by 24, out right here, 26 and 20 and 25. I mean, you could just imagine if I just hold this to 30, 32, if it goes to 30, 32 and I'm holding, then man, it's a different story, I have the guts to hold here, but I don't have the guts to hold right here. I don't know why, If I would have held this all the way up to 15, we would be having a totally different day. Totally different day, But I'm getting out 11, 12, 14. Dude, just freaking hold, man. Hold. Even hold, even if I don't sell here 15, look at this. Just hold flat. Hold for the break of the gap. 7. Never test the 7 again. Went all the way up to 40. In hindsight, it's so much easier to talk about it. But now, when you're at the moment, when I'm at the moment and I see the volatility, eesh, it's a little tough. Anyway, there were some other trades around here that around this area that I didn't take. So they were very good gap and goes, but I didn't take it. There was one around 27. Where was it? 27 here? Here, yeah, here. 27, yep. Making this move all the way up to 31. I'm looking for this gap and go. Take it, man. Take it at 27 by 28. Probably would have gotten filled 28 and a half, and that's okay because, man, move to 40. That's a really awesome trade. Anyway, we're gonna call it here. Not a good end of the month. 3 red days, but the silver lining is again, I sized up. I took bigger size. 3K, 2K, 5K. And we're gonna end like that. So we're up 2.2 almost on the year. 165 in commissions. A lot in commissions now that I'm taking bigger size. During the last 3 days, probably stacked up $100 in commissions or closer to $100. Anyway, so I think that's it. I'll review. Yeah, I think that's it. Whatever. So come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try our 7-day free trial, watch the demo, check our free trading analysis tool, select a broker, add a file. Nice. Check out all our features. Beautiful features right here. I'm releasing very soon the tags feature, and it's gonna really transform Mr. Profit. Can't wait. Can't wait to release that to my audience. So join us for $5 a month, $10, $50 a year. It's the best analytics platform for beginner and really advanced traders who just need a calendar and a place to just log your data into your calendar. And for beginner traders, it's the best because it's the most affordable. You don't want to spend a lot of money just trying to trade something that you can do for very cheaply. So yeah. Anyway, so join us for $5 or $50 a year. Hit me up on Discord and I will see you. Hit me up on Discord if you have any questions about trading, about Mr. Profit, and I'll get back to you there. Yeah, so I'll see you next week with more trading. Start of a new month with big sides, so hopefully I'm very close to shaking the nerves out. I know I can do it. Big days around the corner for sure.